All right, so we're out here at English Racing in Vancouver. Matt's got some work done to his cruiser. So what he's had them do is fabricate the intercooler piping, which is obviously coming off the intake here, going down through here, and this is all 3.5 inch. What did we say?
I think it's 3 inch.
3 inch intercooler piping, aluminum piping, with all the V-band clips into the intercooler here, coming out on the turbo side. Along with that, they've also made a really nice exhaust. You can't see it from up here, but down here, just that flex pipe there. Really nice TIG welding. And that's gonna come just below here, kind of where our factory cats would be. And nice little side exit, which is what I'm going to be doing with mine in a similar way, but mine's going to dump kind of more right here where my cat guard is that I made those sliders with. So I'll insert the video of it starting up here.
If I build any boost.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, but it's coming along really nice. It's just about ready to be his daily. A few more things he has to do, but yeah, a little update on the right-hand drive swapped, Cummins swapped. So as we're leaving here, just kind of want to walk through the yard and show you what we got going on. 3000 GTs, GTRs, lots and lots of Evos, STIs. English Racing is well known for being tuners and having a dyno for all these applications, so really cool to get to walk through this yard. GTR there. And they've got their full dyno set up, obviously. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that update on Matt's right-hand drive Cummins swapped cruiser. It should be up and running as his daily relatively soon here, so make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more content regarding that. I'm plugging along on mine as well, so that's all coming in the next few days. Friday's video is going to be installing the Gamviti seat gears for the 80 series Land Cruiser mine, as they are broken and my flamingo legs are having issues on longer trips, just being in an uncomfortable position. So that's all coming up. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.